Who's there? I swear if you're another cheery, smiling freak.
Nope, just a miserable nightmare critter. So, how are you?
Just wanna die and stuff. And you?
Already regretting this?
Why are you here?
I found a new skull in the graveyard. I bet it belonged to a poet whose life was cut tragically short. Or a Halloween store? Fun, right?
I know you guys think I'm dangerous. Just go. I'll starve to death in a week and you'll all be happy.
Come on, Baba. I know everyone still misses you. And a sunny day like this is perfect for reconnecting.
You sound like a smiling critter.
You leave me no choice.
I don't wanna die!
No one's gonna die. Stop squirming. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Baba, what did I say about... Oh!
Well. Look what the storm brought in.
Crow chowder.
Get off me, you idiots!
Sorry, Poe. I thought you were Chow.
Yeah, Alistair, how could you? So, what are you doing here with her?
She's not gonna hurt me, is she?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna skin you alive, Alistair. Bet you'd make a fabulous leather bag and a pretty skull.
Alistair!
Baba, tone down the bloodthirst, you maniac.
It was a joke. It was a joke.
Look, Baba's depressed. Not fake depressed this time. And she needs our help. Not that I care or anything.
If I was depressed, I'd just lie down and sleep a few days.
That's what she's been doing all week.
How about a game? Just sit on this lily pad and try to catch more flies than me. Watch this! The wind blew it away. Slipped right off my tongue, I swear. You gonna eat that?
Smells like strawberry syrup.
I thought it was blood.
I still don't think it's a good idea to... We're already inside, aren't we? Wow, no wonder it smells so good.
Shut your trap! You wish I get your ingredient, or you die trying.
Oh, right. Let's be super quiet.
Just eat me, Maggie. I don't care.
Hello, gourmet guests! Who's hungry for 60 cakes? Chocolate cookies? Custard pudding tower?
Man, dear, she's on another sugar high.
Say, Tui, how was that 100-inch cheesecake I made for you last time?
I just wanted to borrow a cup of...
Was it good? Tell me it was good! You look sad, Sugar. Feel better brownies coming right up!
Hey, why don't you try one, Baba? Sure looks like comfort food fixed Maggie's rage problem.
I just have to eat some trash.
Already frosting it!
Okay, no frosting on the inedible stuff, please.
Do not insult my gummy trash, bad brain.
I'll gourmet bash your head in, filthy rodent!
Oh no! Where is it? Yes, excellent. Continue.
This is fun. Everything
but it'd be such a sweet prank.
Can we wrap this up? My eyeliner is literally melting.
Oh, I spot smiling critters by the lake. Wanna mess with them?
Ooh, yes. I'll bring the glitter bombs. Whoa! Nice catch, my fellow creature of the night.
Hey, Baba. You wanna prank the Fuzzy Wuzzies like we used to?
Oh, that good times those were. Remember when we found out Dog Day was the runt of his litter? We were laughing for days.
Hey, are you okay?
Uh-oh, someone's gonna snap.
This is getting interesting.
Baba?
Oh, Baba, what happened to your anise scent? All I smell is some sticky sugar. And a hint of revenge.
Baba! Leave her alone!
Hey, Taffy Face. You're lucky I ran out of knives.
That's our Baba. Hi, one.
Yeah, that's the nightmare critter way. More than makes up for that bleeding heart chicken over there acting like a smiling critter.
That's what you get for messing up my scent. Right, Simon?
Simon?
I'm sorry, Baba. It's just... I gotta go.
Hey, wait for me. They're still scared of me. My best friends are scared of me.
They're not scared of you, Baba. They're scared of what you did to Dog Day. They need time.
It wasn't just a little paper cut, wasn't it? I hurt him bad. I hurt everyone bad. They'll never forgive me.
Maybe not right away. But I'll be here for you, even if you throw a knife at me again. 'Cause otherwise you'll be all alone, and that's my thing. Not that I care that much.
Thanks, Poe.
Stupid snow!
Guess you're one dangerous nightmare critter, too.
Alright, it's bedtime. Sweet dreams, Critter Crew.
Have fun crying yourself to sleep after that crushing defeat, Hoppy.
Please let the bedbugs bite, jerk chicken!
Have a good night, Dog Day. We love you.
Thanks for the delicious picnic, Dog Day.
And for the highly educational choice of literature. I never knew a caterpillar could be that hungry.
Thanks for making us smile, Dog Day. See you tomorrow.
So it's that bad, huh?
Whoa! Were you there this whole time?
Nope. I use telepathy. Obviously.
Are you here to knock me out again?
Depends. Are you planning to sleep tonight?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just, ever since I visited Baba, it's been so hard for me to keep smiling. It's like I've been smiling harder, but feeling worse. Has everyone been faking their smiles just to be nice to me? If I can't make them smile for real, what am I even good for?
Dog Day. Remember the day we first met?
The day we first... Of course I do!
I messed up pretty bad that day, didn't I? We all mess up, even at the things we think we're the best at. That doesn't make us failures, it just makes us... us.
Thanks, Catnap.
Now go to sleep before I actually knock you out.
All right. Good night. What's that? Oh, hey! It's a letter from that little bird. They want the nightmare critters to hang out with the smiling critters for a day? That's a genius idea!
Dog day, no! I'm gonna run out of sleeping gas protecting all of you from—
New friends, new adventure, and my first chance to put real smiles on faces! Ooh, I can't wait for tomorrow! Gotta sleep now. Good night, Catnap!
Why do I feel like someone's gonna lose a limb tomorrow?
Hey. Can you hear me?